Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Celestial Cryptoverse. This is your friendly spaceman reporter, Astrodon, reporting on this June 6th, 2022. Let's go ahead and discuss a few things today. Looks like Bitcoin and Ethereum saw a slight price rally today. Investors are hodling and buying the BTC Dip. Coinbase rescinds job offers and made a few employees mad, or would be employees. And Cardano price jumps from speculation of its upcoming hard fork. But first, before we get into this, if you haven't subscribed, like, and share this video, please do so. It helps the channel and helps me continue providing these daily crypto bites for you guys. And without further ado, let's jump into it. So, looks like markets today are looking pretty decent. Well, let's look at the financial markets. Looks like the Dow Jones is a little bit up today. Earlier this morning, the rally was a lot better, but as the day progressed, it looks like it cooled off a little bit, but it's still up today, 16.808 points. And let's go ahead and look at the S&P 500. Again, earlier in the day was rallied pretty decently, but then it cooled off again, and it's only up 0.31%. So that's a brief talk of the stock markets. Let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin today looks like it saw a nice little rally as well. So Sunday night it was sitting around 30,000, and early today it went up about 5%, and it's kind of staying steady there. Looks like both Bitcoin and Ethereum saw modest jumps today, giving investors renewed hopes for a much anticipated market recovery after a brutal sell-off on May. So yeah, so currently Bitcoin is around 31.5, which is up 5%. The leading cryptocurrency last traded at these levels on June 1st, when it entered a downward correction that dragged the price of BTC from above 32K below 30,000 for the most part of the weekend. Despite the latest spike, Bitcoin is still down 34% since the start of the year, with the fear and greed index, as you can see, sitting at 13, which is still corresponds to extreme fear. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at Ethereum. Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency, still faces a major uphill battle to recover from the losses since the start of the year, when it was trading around 3,800. Earlier today, looks like it almost gained about 6%, almost getting close to the $2,000 range, but it cooled off towards the end of the day. Right now it's sitting around 1868.70, which is still up about 3.3%, but its highs today was sitting around $1,900. Ethereum lackluster price action is compounded by massive sell-off in the DeFi space over the last month. Investors withdrew more than $40 billion from Ethereum-based apps, shrinking the total value locked from over $113 billion on May 5th to $71.04 billion as of today, according to DeFi Llama. So it's still extreme fear. Everyone is just pretty much pulling out all of their altcoin investments, and they're all putting it into Bitcoin, as you can see from the next from the next piece of news here. So it looks like amid the crypto bear market, institutional investors, as long as hodler, pretty much they're still buying the Bitcoin dip because there's still a lot of faith in Bitcoin rebounding. Bitcoin investment products saw cumulative inflows totaling 126 million in the week ending Saturday, according to the latest fund flows from CoinShares. Year to date, Bitcoin investment funds have quietly added 506 million in net inflows. So, yeah, so investors appear to be allocating to Bitcoin at the expense of Ethereum and other altcoins. Ether funds saw 32 million in outflows, marking the ninth consecutive week of declines. Outflows from Ether investment products has totaled 357.4 million this year. So a lot of people pulling out from their altcoins and they're putting it in Bitcoins, it looks like, from on-chain data. What do you guys think? You guys think that's a good move? Comment below. And the next piece of news, we have jilted would-be Coinbase employees vent online after jobs they accepted are eliminated. So last week, Coinbase pretty much announced that they were freezing hiring due to their stock not performing so well. Their Q1 loss was about 430 million. However, last week when that announcement was made, they sought to reassure that new hires via email, they would not be resending the offers of any employees who have already signed or have received offers from us. However, that was not the case, and a lot of employees are pretty much they're resending the offer and they are freezing hiring. Some of these people, such as Chung Wook An, they said they are left speechless of the irresponsibility Coinbase has shown in managing hires and helpless about my current situation because he's basically on a visa and needs to find work in 90 days or he will be deported. Other people pretty much accepted the job offer and they quit their last job, but now since Coinbase rescinded the offer, they don't have a job and now they're looking for other work. So that wasn't cool for Coinbase to go back on their word on that. I mean, we understand that they are a publicly traded company and they need to satisfy their shareholders, but it kind of sucks to leave their would-be employees high and dry because of that. So that is Coinbase news. And the last thing I want to cover today is Cardano. Cardano is looking like they are seeing some pumps, especially today. Cardano was among the best performer among the top cryptocurrency on June 6th, which is today, as trader assessed a key upgrade that promises to enhance its blockchain smart contract capabilities. So pretty much dubbed Vassal, I think I'm pronouncing that right. That hard fork, which will tentatively take place on June 29th, 2022, is looking very bullish to investors. And there's a lot of euphoria surrounding this upgrade. So Cardano has seen some price pumps today and last week as well. And many are speculating that possibly it could go to about $1 maybe towards the end of the month. We'll see. A lot of altcoins are struggling right now. But you never know. Some of these hard forks really, if they stick to their timetable, could really help in having a positive uptick on their coin. So let's see how that goes. And that's pretty much it. Do you guys think the Cardano coin will jump up to $1 this month? Go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today. Like always, thank you for watching and stay safe. And I'll see you tomorrow.